Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a brand new nail polish collection for you today from LynBdesigns. I met her at the Indie Expo and she was really sweet, and she gave me the new collection coming out on September 13th. So I'm going to swatch all these up for you. So this collection is called the Urban Legends, and there is 6 polishes in the collection, and I'm going to share with you all about them. So stay tuned for the video. So the first one I'm going to swatch is called Dame Blanche. It is a white base pastel multi-chrome that shifts from red to gold to copper with a delicate hollow shimmer and a rainbow of tiny color shifting flakies. So there's a lot going on in this polish, so I'm definitely excited to try it. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this up for you. So I just have a base coat and on my nails right now, so we're going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. So this is one coat. Alright, you're starting with the first coat here. I do have like a base coat on my nails right now just so it goes on smoothly, because there's a lot of glitters going on in this polish, and I always like to do a base coat just so everything looks good. Alright, so that is one coat of that, so we're going to let that dry and then I will do another coat. Alright, so we're moving on to the second coat here. So that is 2 coats. I think I might do a third one just because it's like a white and there's still a little bit of some space that's kind of showing through, but that is totally okay. Alright, so I just did the 3 coats of Dame Blanche. So that is 3 coats. So you can kind of see the shimmer and everything in there. And it's pretty shiny, which is nice. So that is 3 coats of that one. The next polish I have here is called Jersey Devil. It is a berry red base with intense green to blue to purple to pink shifting shimmer. And it also has a micro hollow shimmer and a blue to cyan to green shifting UCC flakies. So there's a lot going on in this one too. So I'm excited to try this one out. So we're going to get straight to the swatching. Alright, starting off with one coat. So there's lots of different glitters in this polish, and it's actually going on pretty smoothly considering it's got lots of stuff on there. So that is a 1 coat, which is actually pretty opaque. I did a little bit more polish than I planned to. Always do that on camera, but that is 1 coat. Alright, we're going to do our second coat. This is actually a really unique polish. It's got so much going on in this, but it's actually really cool. So I'll have to show you like in the full light when we're done our 2 coats. But I don't think you're going to need more than 2 coats. 2 coats is pretty good for this polish, but it's like got so much shimmer and glitter and flakies, and it's just a really unique color. So I will let that dry and then I will show you that. Alright, so that is 2 coats of Jersey Devil, and it's just like so much going on. You've got a lot of shimmer and it's really a neat color. So interesting. I really like it. Alright, so we're going to move on to the next polish. The next polish in the collection is called Puckwudgies. It is a sheer buildable base filled with purple to pink to gold shifting shimmer, and it has also purple to blue shifting flakies and purple to lime to copper shifting flakies. So there is a lot going on in this one. So I'm excited for this one because I love purple. So we're going to try this one out. Alright, so 1 coat of Puckwudgies. It's really pretty. It's got lots of glitter in there. It goes on really smoothly. It is pretty sheer, which is to be expected. Like she said, it was a buildable polish. So you can add a few coats, just so it is, you can see everything that is going on. You want more of a sheer polish, which is really pretty. So I'm excited for the next coat. All right, on to the next coat. Yeah, you can see that it's getting more of the color. This would be a nice like top or two to put over another polish. But yeah, I'm liking it. Yeah, 3 coats. So I'm just gonna let that dry and I'll show you what it looks like. So that is 3 coats of Puckwudgies. I really like this one. It is really, really pretty. It's got so much going on there, and I am a sucker for flakies, but it is beautiful. You could almost do a 4th coat, but I like the 3 coats. So yeah, that one is really, really nice. All right, the next polish we have is called Mothman. It is a black to pinky red thermal with red to gold to orange UCC flakies, and it has a tiny iridescent red flakies in it as well. So this has got lots of stuff going also in this polish, so we're gonna go ahead and get to swatching. All right, so we're gonna go with coat 1. My hands are kind of warm right now, so I think whatever the color coming out is probably what's the cold one, but then it's quickly gonna change to whatever the thermal changes to. That is coat 1. All right, so you can kind of already see it coming through. So it's like a pinky red base when your hands are warm, and then it's like a blacky gray kind of color there when it is cold. But it's doing a good job of like shifting, and you can see like the darker color on the edge of your nail because it always shows up there. But yeah. This is 2 coats of this one. I always find thermals a little bit harder to paint because they tend to switch quickly. It's almost like if I were painting my hands cold, I would get a better coat. So that is 2 coats. We might do 3 coats depending on how it looks when it is dry, but yeah, that's 2 coats. So I just sprayed my hand with my nail polish drawing spray, so you can see the dark color, which I think I'm still gonna do a 3rd coat, just because when you let it dry, the other color kind of looks a little bit lighter or patchier, so I'm gonna do a 3rd coat. All right, so that is 3 coats. So right now my hands are cold because, like I said, I use my nail polish spray. So you can kind of see what it looks like. It is like a blacky gray. It's got lots of shimmer going on in there, so it's actually a really neat color. I'm thinking it might be a Halloween color for me, but it's actually pretty cool. So I'm just gonna go warm up my hands so you can see what it looks like warm. All right, so that is what it looks like when your hands are completely warm. It is a little changing already, but yeah, so it's like a reddy, pinky, kind of corally color almost. But yeah, so it's really neat. All right, the next polish we have here is called the Slenderman. It is a deep teal buildable gel base with hollow flakies, shifting shimmers, and red to gold to green shifty flakies. I am really looking forward to this one because this is definitely one of the colors I like a lot too. I'm very into teal and purple, so we're definitely gonna get started and we'll swatch this one out. All right, starting with the first coat here. So it's definitely got lots and lots of glitter in there. Really pretty. Lots of flakies, which I love flakies. Alright, so that is 1 coat. Alright, so we're doing 2 coats now. Alright, so 2 coats. So I did 3 coats of the Slenderman, and I think it's good. It's a really, really nice teal. You can see all the flakies and the glitter in there, and I'm really liking it. So that is 3 coats, just because it is like a jelly base, so it takes a little bit more to get opaque, but I think 3 coats is pretty good. So alright, the last color we have here is called Nain Rouge, and it is an intense red base with copper shimmer, scattered hollow shimmer, and 2 UCC flakies that shift from copper to green to red, and red to orange, and to gold, and to copper. So there's lots of flakies in here, which I'm excited for. So we're going to go ahead and swatch this. Alright, so we're going to do our first coat here. I'm already liking this red, like it's really pretty. It's got nice flakies and it's easy to go on. I really like the copper finish in it. It's pretty opaque for the first coat, so that's pretty good. So that is 1 coat. Alright, so let's do the second coat. I think we'll be good with 2 coats for this one. Alright, so that is 2 coats of Nain Rouge, and I really like it. I actually really like this red a lot. I'm kind of like half and half with reds depending on what red it is, but this one is gorgeous. I really love the copper shimmer and all the flakies in it. Beautiful red. So that is all of the polishes in the Urban Legends collection. They released today, which is September 13th, so definitely check them out. I have more swatch pictures on my Instagram at Allie's blog, so if you want to see more of these polishes, go to my Instagram, and also to LynBdesigns website and Instagram as well. So you can also use the code LEGENDS until I believe it's September 17th to get half off the polishes. So I hope you liked today's video. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.